What? Yo guys, welcome back to another video. And make sure you go and follow that Silver EK9 on Instagram. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm your the broski, Isaiah. We got the package from Temu. And we're gonna open it. And all that stuff should be for the EK. So, did we get scammed? Or what guys? We'll see. So, the bag approximately weighs 2 kilograms. Yeah. And we're gonna open it. Very nervous. I can't remember everything I ordered, but I know most of the stuff I wanted that I ordered. So, when we cut the bag open. So guys, I don't know what's in here. You didn't tell me anything you bought. Let's see. Okay, so here's my 6-inch zip ties. 6 inches guys. I think I was lying. I think it's 6 inches. So we're gonna be testing the products and unboxing it. So here we got our velvet wrap.
Oh, that's what is.
Yeah, this is the thing I was telling you about. This is for the center console of the Honda.
Oh.
So let's get to wrapping it.
And now we're gonna be taking off this armrest right here. Just gonna be screwing it out. Now this the last screw to take this thing off. Now that we got this off, we're gonna be wrapping it with our velvet wrap.
As you can see, this velvet, in my opinion, high quality. Feels high.
Feels so good.
So what we have to do here is basically just shape it like this kind of, and then we'll cut this part off. You want to make sure you clean the surface because this armrest, you see that it's already brown. Your arm is always in here, so there's going to be a bunch of grease. And it's not gonna stick adhesive. So just drying it off. Now we'll basically just peel it off here. The cardboard on the one side. There we go. You can see over here this is like a sticky adhesive. You just want to make sure you push all those air bubbles out and those creases. See this crease? So what you just do, you lift it off and then you go again. Okay, you'll obviously get a few creases because it's a circular object. If you have a square armrest, it should be perfect. See, that's how we got it. Does not look the best, you know, there's a few creases and stuff, but that's normal because it's a cylindrical object. What we're gonna do now is just cut off the excess just here. Just wanna try to push as much creases as you can out, as long as it looks nice.
And now we're gonna be putting the armrest back on. The last screw. Now that it's all tightened up,
Let's close it.
hey guys, look how nice it looks.
It's just the dust magnet, that's the only problem. So you must make sure you're always dusting it off. You see there's already some dust on there. This velvet wrap is going in the W bin. What do we have next? I think I know what this is. Yeah guys, this is the tripod. The tripod over here. You see, you put your phone in here. I got it because I was using before this lazy arm thing, like when you lay in bed. When you lay in bed and you use this, like something like that. So I decided to get it so that the videos is much high quality. Because the reason the camera looks so good, because of our cameraman over here. Yeah, let's just put the phone in here. Just open it. This thing is also like a Bluetooth button, so you can take photos. So let's put the phone in here. So currently we have the tripod on. You see, I can hold the phone like this. Nice.
I didn't hold it so.
And let's extend the arm quickly. Let's put out the legs.
How about you guys?
Here we go. We got the tripod. It's pretty high. I think that's the highest it can go. From floor level, it's about like so. Yeah. So it's not like the tallest, but you know, for the table in the back. This product is a W. Let's get to the next one.
And the next thing we're gonna be taking out of here is this window tint that we got. Yeah.
I think there's like 30% tint or something. We're not going to be testing this one today because the lights is still on the car. I saw a few reviews and people say this headlight tint really works. But I'm not going to be using it now. Maybe in another video I test it. But this I guess is like a middle. So it's not a W or L because I haven't tested it. So let's get to the next one. Over here we got this thing over here. You might be thinking, why do I got the armband for exercising? Well, it's not just the armband. It's a brake / clutch reservoir cover. I saw they sell the bride ones that you put so over, but I thought 30 rand, are you mad? This is literally an armband. So I got this for like 9 rand. Put it on and see how it looks.
Now we're gonna be putting this on here. Here guys. It's good, you can maybe just fix it up later. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna give that product 5 big booms. Boom! 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 And that is going in the W bin for sure. Okay, so the next product, this is a gear knob. Momo gear knob got for 91 rand on a discount. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. So shows the gears. Here's the gear knob, guys. It's pretty heavy for a gear knob. Look at it, guys. Looks so good. So guys, let's go and install this Momo gear knob.
So like Isaiah just said, here's the gear knob. It's pretty heavy. In here it has different like covers over here, like gears, and here's the converters that you put in there. All you're gonna do is basically just turn this in. I suggest you get like pliers or something to put in there because doing it with your fingers is kinda time consuming. I put the center thing back in because so you can see how it looks with the shifter boot. So we've got it installed. Comment down below how this looks. I feel like it looks fantastic for 91 rand. I give this a W because we don't buy L's, we only buy W's, am I right?
Yes.
Next up, we have this box. You know what this maybe is?
No, I have no idea. I don't know actually what it is in there.
It says silvery on the box. Yeah, it says silvery. Oh, I think I know what this is.
What?
The oil cap for the oil cap for the valve cover.
Oh.
Yeah, we got the Mugen Power oil cap, guys, for the Honda. You see that?
Nice.
This looks so good.
This is the old cap. I'm gonna take it off. Put it on there. Put the old in with the new. I'm gonna put on the new one. Look at it.
Guys, I think this product is another W.
Throw it in the W bin. So the next product is a headlamp. Let's just open it. So here we got the strap, and we're gonna be testing this in the garage with the lights off. We're gonna find out how to turn this on. That's how it looks with the light off.
Can basically see nothing.
That's the first mode.
That's the spotlight.
Yeah, and then this is the widespread.
Damn, I use it as a ring light.
This actually gives off a lot of light. 32 rand. It's actually cheap for such a good light. It's gonna go in the W bin, guys.
Next up, we got this. I know what it is.
This is seat for your seat belt. I think to cover the seat belt, and we're gonna install it shortly. We're gonna be installing the one. Look at it.
Okay, but when it's on your body, it should stay up.
Yeah.
But there's actually a W product, guys, for like 17 rand. And it's simple, you know, because sometimes this edge of the seat belt, it like impales you and it leaves a mark. But I think this one's going into the
W bin.
I think this is okay. 5 silver the deeper blades. Blades. So I'm pretty sure this is the Exacto knife kit I ordered. You see,
this for,
3 blades and stuff like that, whatever holders.
What will this be used for?
So I using this. Right, get a piece of paper to test it.
It's the sharp.
Oh, we're gonna test the sharpness, guys. Cuts through like butter, guys.
Drop the camera.
Look at that. We're gonna be using this later in the video. We have a product coming up. Let me give you a hint. Starts with carbon. But this is a W. Over here we've got, what is this?
What is this?
Oh guys, I know what this is. The Mugen badge. This is like a metal badge. This is actually a very nice color. I took the black and red. See that? So basically, I ordered a new grill. It's the one with no badge. Like it's like almost like cross-hatching. This badge will basically just go over here, something like this. And the new one, obviously not this one. But yeah, I think this is a W. Okay guys, over here. I know why this is loose. This is door latch protectors. I'm pretty sure this just goes like on the latch and then it protects it or something. The sound didn't. So let's go and put it on. So this pretty much just goes on here. I think it's supposed to like clip over. Oh my god.
Guys.
So guys, this broke. I think this is our first L for the day. This is going in the...
And that's the next product, a carbon fiber tape. We're gonna be putting this on the weather strip of our EK, and let's get to installing.
We're gonna use the heat gun until it turns red over the tip. Now in slow, just gonna go over. So this will basically do make the vinyl kind of shrink and stick to you. This looks like a professional job. Make sure you use the heat gun because for this edges it's not gonna stick. Dad, I hope you're happy with this because it's gonna come off now. So now you just wanna line up these stuff over here. I'm sorry for the camera quality. We're using his phone, but this is how it looks now. But it came out good. I'm saying this carbon fiber is a W.
Here's the next product. You open it quickly. Here we go. What the heck? Bro, I think this got damaged in shipping. Oh my god. Forget it guys, it got damaged.
Guys, a crazy bang. I guess it's still usable like this board, but the rest. Oh my, both guys is broken.
This one goes in the Armband.
So over here, what we've got is, oh, I know what this is. This is a spark plug remover. So you like plop this on, it's like silicone. You plop this on the spark plug, fine, you take it out. This side, the thicker side, see it thicker, goes over here, and then you can like pull your spark plugs out, and I'm pretty sure you can turn it. I don't have a head to test this on, but yeah, I'd say this is a W.
Let's see what's the next in our Mr. Box.
Oh, this is the white cookies for the tires and stuff like that.
Oh. This white cookies for the tires, as you said. Yeah, it's like how many? Five cookies. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And
Let's go and test it.
okay. Let's go and test.
So what you're gonna do is, I think you just like throw on the tire. Hold up. So I think you basically just like go around the letters or something. But I guess there's a W. That's what it says. I'm not gonna do the full tires to see. You see, you just like trace it. I don't trace it bad, but I guess it looks decent, guys. This is a W. That is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Unfortunately, because of exams and stuff, I can't be recording, you know, I have to focus on school. But yeah, part 2 will be coming out soon after exams, hopefully. And we've got more products coming up, so stay tuned. I ordered a few more things. And make sure you like and subscribe and follow all the socials in the link in the description. Peace.